If you carve out meaningful career paths for your customer service agents, you're not only making the most of their skills, you're actually creating better quality experiences for your customers too. As your company expands, the demand for specialized positions within your support team grows. By training and developing your agents to fit these positions, they will be more fulfilled and engaged for longer, so your customer service department is full of talented, happier agents. In this episode of Building a Support Team for Tomorrow, we will explore career paths within a support team and look at how you can set them up effectively in your company. Traditionally, a customer service department was made up of teams of agents, each with a team lead or manager, who in turn reported to a head of customer support. The primary career path was to a team lead or management role. While this route might have suited some, it certainly wasn't a fit for everyone. Many support representatives would vie for the same position, and those missing out often chose to depart, with the only avenue for career advancement claimed by another. By introducing intermediary steps between the agent and manager roles, you increase the chances for agents to progress within the organization, while also nurturing a more diverse leadership pipeline. Hi Horatio has succeeded in this approach.
After you become a customer experience associate, if you're outstanding, you would get promoted into a senior customer experience associate. And then if the management team identifies that you are team lead material and then you have leadership qualities to manage a team of associates, you get promoted into a team lead role. Once you excel in that role, you have the ability to become a senior team lead. And after that, you get the chance to become a client service manager. You also can get promoted to a senior manager role, managing multiple clients, and then ultimately becoming a director of customer service and operations, where you manage a number of senior managers and client service managers under your purview.
While the paths to management will be influenced by the size of your team, the addition of senior roles and a tiered management structure can give your agents clear career opportunities. Like most companies, Supercell has a path to management in place, as well as a specialized career route.
The two things that are most common is that agents would either go up the ladder, so they would get training to become some sort of a lead, either a supervisor, a team lead. Another path is specialization, like QA, like learning. So based on the skills and the requirement level, you have agents who move based on their own preference and skills.
For fast-growing teams, investing in specialized support positions helps facilitate growth. Training and quality positions are usually a safe bet, as they help elevate the team's overall standard of quality by developing effective onboarding and ongoing training. The best part is that existing agents are the best candidates for these specialist positions, as they know your product, processes, and customers better than anyone. Your agents are also excellent candidates for job positions within the wider company. And while losing an agent to another department might feel like a setback, it can be beneficial, especially when the agent leaves for a department you work closely with, such as engineering, sales, or product. Such employees can help improve processes and communication between departments, as they understand how each one operates. Not all specialized positions are a universal fit for every company. The key is to identify roles that align with your growth trajectory and to invest in them proactively. To make career paths viable in practice, there needs to be incremental steps in place for your agents. So, how do you initiate this process?
So we would like to sit down with everyone and then discuss their learning path. So, you're here, but what would you like to learn? Let's create a competency framework and a goal sheet. What would you like to see? Where would you like to see yourself in the next 3 to 6 months? So we're creating surveys, we're creating focus groups to see what their needs are, and then start building and implementing that.
If you are unsure where to start, take WeWell's advice. Learn from your agents. They know better than anybody which specialists you could benefit from, and they also know which skills they may be lacking. You can work on a training plan so they can develop their skills and succeed in the role. Making use of an internal training hub can be a great way to centralize all of your learning paths and clearly show the development needed to apply for each role.
We started to build and implement the WeWell Academy, which is ultimately it's everything when it comes to onboarding and learning is in this platform. So it's an e-learning program, but also with the use of course, very interactive sessions, courses, etc., where we can both onboard and also, continue to develop our people.
On top of training requirements, you should consider linking career progression to performance metrics and tenure to prevent unnecessary strain on your frontline agents. For instance, many companies stipulate that entry-level agents must remain in their role for 1 year before being eligible for specialist or managerial positions. Thresholds for specific KPIs can also be set for various positions, ensuring that both the role and the agent are the right fit. To summarize, first, map out the potential positions you may need within your support team and the wider company. Talk directly to your agents to learn what roles would be most beneficial and what's needed for them to succeed in the role. Next, design training modules required for eligibility and make sure to link tenure and KPI prerequisites for every step. Finally, back up career progression with raises. After all, these are career advancements, so make sure you build in adequate salary jumps for each promotion your agent achieves. On that note, in the next episode, we'll delve into the realm of compensation packages and thoughtful perks and benefits. Join us to learn how you can attract top talent and stay competitive on the market.